Hello crochet cuties. So in this video I'll make this cute little hair clips. So everything you need to make this cute little clip, yarn, any color you can choose, and 3 mm hook size, and these alligator clips. You can buy them online if you want. I can also give you the link of these clips, and scissor and a needle, of course. So okay, let's get started. At first, make a magic ring. So this is a beginner friendly video. You can easily make this if you are a beginner. I'm making it very slow. Now I'll make chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now I'm going to make 6 double crochet in this magic ring. Yarn over. Now insert your hook through the magic ring. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull through the rest 2 loops. Now I'll make 5 more double crochet in this magic ring. This is my second double crochet. Third. So I have made 6 double crochet in this magic ring. Now I'm going to make 1 triple crochet. Yarn over 2 times. Now yarn over. We have 4 loops on our hook. Pull through the 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Again I'll yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. I've made the half heart. Now again I'll make 6 double crochet in this magic ring to complete the heart. Okay, so I have made 6 more double crochet in this magic ring. Now I'll make chain 3 and slip stitch in this magic ring. Now chain 1 and cut the yarn. Pull the yarn tightly so it will close the magic ring. Now I am going to hide this yarn and tie a knot at a point. To make this clip, you need 3 hearts. Now I'll glue them on these alligator clips. You can use hot glue gun to glue them. Can use these white beads to decorate them. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, subscribe and let me know in the comment what you would like to see next. See you in the next video. Bye bye.